Hello and welcome to Why Not Join Me? I'm Jane Mark and I'm the president of Jam Marketing Inc. My partner, Phil Baston, developed this great site as an interactive website with what we call attention grabbers. And they are designed to make people take an action either to sign up at your website or buy something or just want to stay and read more. Let me show you. I'm just going to refresh the page. If this is what would happen if you just came to this page. Okay, so now you opened my page and you're looking and watch what's going to happen. You see that? Your ship has come in. Get on board now. That pops in 5 seconds. I'm going to show you later at the bottom of the website exactly how I did this. But right now, I just want to tell you a bit about it. No matter how well your sales page is written or how attractive it can always use a boost to help your conversions. And that's where Why Not Join Me comes in. I want to let you know that this website is unique from all others on the net. Here's why. We took a look around and saw these sort of call to action buttons or attention grabbers, as we like to call them. And they worked for website owners. But what about all those affiliate marketers who would love to create some action and movement on their affiliate site? Nothing on the net existed for them. But those days are over. Why Not Join Me is designed for websites of any kind, sales page, capture pages, blogs, and especially the people who have been left out, affiliate marketers, so that you can use your affiliate sites now and you can cash in just like the big website owners do. If you read through our sales page, you will see plenty of examples of attention grabbers, and you can see which ones intrigue you. There is also a short video at the bottom of this website that will show you just how easy it is to set up one of these attention grabbers. Anyone can do it. There is no experience needed. I'm going to show you this later on at the bottom. You choose the design and the copy you want. You pop a website in, you give it a title, you hit submit. End of story. That's it. You're done. It takes all of about 5 seconds, which if you watch the video at the very bottom, you'll see exactly how I do this. There's no coding involved. There's no highfalutin fancy programming. It's easy as pie to use, which is why Phil's sites are always such a great success. He makes it for the technically challenged people like me. You can watch me walk through it, as I said, at the bottom of the website. There's also an FAQ, which will answer many of your questions. But let me just say this to you to give you a bit more of an overview. Let me bring this to your attention. Every attention grabber says on it, let me show you again. I'm going to bring it up again. Shows you, we'll see it in 1 minute. It says verified. You see that bottom? Verified by Why Not Join Me. It does two things, that little check with the verified by Why Not Join Me. First of all, it lets your reader know that this is real and they should take notice of it. It gives you credibility. And the other thing that it does, if somebody clicks on this Why Not Join Me button, let's say they're not really interested in your site or whatever, if they click on that because they want to find out who Why Not Join Me is, you know where they're going to go? They're going to go to your affiliate link. And even if your own site doesn't make you a sale, Why Not Join Me just may make you a sale. So that's a really cool feature of the site as well. There are 4 membership levels at the site. You can join as a basic, premium, business, or founder member. You can read the differences below at the bottom. I want you to go through this whole website though, because you're going to really see what kind of thing you can get when you join this site. Here's some links I made, which you want to look at later. Here's the video I said that shows you how to sign it up. But our membership levels are here, right at the bottom, and you can read through them, see which ones are right for you. If you can swing it, go for the founding membership. It unleashes all of the things that we have at this site. You get unlimited access to all of our attention grabbers, and we have dozens of them in the members area. They're different designs, different colors, different sayings on them, and that's a big plus. You can use them on unlimited websites if you're a founder. You can rotate 5 of them so that you won't just see that one that I did for you today with the boat coming in. Let's say you set up 5 and you want to rotate 5 or 3 or whatever. You can do that too. You can edit the copy on the design. In other words, we give you the design and the copy. If you want to edit it, you can just click on edit it and you can put your own copy in there that suits your website. You earn 40% commission on every sale plus recurring income. So that's a nice benefit of being a founding membership. You can make up to $440 per sale. And that ain't peanuts, guys. Okay, enough of my talking. Let's get you some attention and some signups and some sales. I'll see you on the inside. And go watch the video below at this video that I showed you. If you want to see exactly all of the designs that are available, here are some of them, and exactly how easy it is to do this and to have your website, even if you're just an affiliate, be noticed. So let's get you going. I'll see you soon.